update. If you have been having low views on your YouTube channel, probably YouTube is not recommending your videos again. It's because the settings I'm about to show you are not turned on. By the way, the time is 10 p.m. in the night. But guys, this video is very important because I saw this on one growing YouTube channel and I was like, okay, let me give it a try. Does this really work? And it worked. And I was like, okay, I can't keep this to myself. You know, now we are all here to learn together, and this is something new I want to share with you so you can use it on your YouTube channel and also increase your views. So in this video, I want to simply show you the buttons you have to turn on your settings so you can get your videos you've done in the past time recommended now. Okay, so once you turn all this on, you will start seeing views on those videos. And the funniest thing is, it also works for the current videos you're posting now. So all good, guys. Again, let's go ahead and do a jingle. Let me greet my subscribers first. Welcome back, my dearly dear. Thank you again for coming back to check my video. And you know I respect you and you're so tangible to me, like you're dear to me, a family like blood. I love you. Hello dears, welcome here. My name is Nika Adebayo. All I do here is to post content that will help your content creation journey. Can you see that? It's so rhyme. So all you need to do to join this big family is to subscribe. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first person to get notified anytime I post helpful content like this. And if you have done that, thank you so much. I am grateful because you actually helping this channel. So what we're going to be using is YouTube Studio, okay? But we're not going to be using YouTube Studio app this time. We're going to use the desktop site. This is going to work for you on your mobile phone. So in case you have a system, it's good. You just go and log into your YouTube Studio on the site, okay? So just type out YouTube Studio desktop site. What I used to do is to put Chrome at the back because I already have the app and I don't want to be lead to the app. So I just say YouTube Studio desktop site Chrome and automatically it will bring this to me. So this is it, YouTube app installed, you visit often. So just click on that and let's go. Here we are on the studio. Okay, this is my channel. We're coming under the customization right here. So click the customization and this is customization. Okay, so where we're going to is not under the profile. As you can see here, we have profile, we have home tab. We are going under the home tab. Mine is already turned on, but I will just go ahead and turn them off so we start from scratch. All right, this is your home tab right here. So all you need to do is to come to this side and tap it on, turn it on. You've turned the first setting on. Okay, we are not stopping there, we still have more things to do here. So just wait, sit and watch this video to the end. So the second thing you see here is layout. It says customize the layout of your channel homepage with up to 12 sections. So the first one we have here is channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. So you're going to determine the video you want to pop up on your channel. If anybody who have not subscribed actually click on your channel, okay? So for me, I prefer this video that you're seeing here, A to Z, on how to create consistent viral picture. So that's what I want to put there. For you, it can be something else, it depends. All right, so the next thing says featured video for returning subscribers. Now let me show you how you can change all this in case you want to put it there. So you just click on each channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. I click on it and immediately I click on it, it bring out three icon here, three dot icon here. So you just click on that and say change video or remove video, depending. So you are adding video, right? So you just, it will bring you to your gallery, your videos gallery here. So just click on it. I'm clicking that video again, and that is what we have here. Okay, so now it says featured video for returning subscribers. This is what you want your returning subscribers to watch. Maybe probably you just drop a video that relates closely to what your returning subscribers should be watching. Like this video you are watching right now is a kind of video I dedicated to my returning subscribers, because I want them to watch this video. So I can still come here and change the settings to this video you're watching now. Okay, so all you need to do is to tap it. Once you tap it, the three icon will show here, three dot icon rather. So click on that, click on that to adjust the video. Either you change or remove, but you're changing or you're putting it in. So just come in and click in. You see, so that's that. Now this third one says member recognition. This is if you are already maybe monetized. So the next one says products from your store. Maybe you have products on your store. That is for monetization aspect. Now the for you says YouTube recommends fresh content based on your viewers' interest. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. You see the importance of having more content on your channel. So once we click on the more settings, this is what it will bring for us. So here we can adjust it. We have video, we have short, and we have live stream. So in case you have live stream, the ones you've done in the past, you want to toggle this on. Okay, you want to toggle it on so that people coming to your channel can still watch those videos. Okay, so now let me show you something very important here. Please stick to this video. Make sure you like this video right now so that the algorithm will push this video to other people that need to see this also. Please do that to help me. Please do that to help someone else. Thank you so much. Here we have recency. It says all content recommended. Now YouTube always updates the for you section with fresh content. Second one says recent content only, content you've posted in the last 12 months. So if your own is here, YouTube will not recommend your former videos. Okay, so what you need is, you want everybody that is coming to your channel under the for you page to see every of your content, because you still want views on those content. This is what you will turn on: all content recommended. Okay, please take note of that. All content recommended. So you will need to turn on done here. Okay, let me show you another important thing. Stick to this video, there are more. So you see this add section. Once you click on add section, you will see different things here. It says popular video, live now, past live stream, upcoming live streams. See them like that. So in case you want to start adding them, just click on any of the fixtures and come right down to, you see it shows here, say popular video. So it's going to list them out there. Okay, you can still set it by clicking it, so you can adjust. Okay, and let's show another one before we move from here. So maybe upcoming live stream, you want to add it. So just like that, guys. All right, so after every this is what is very important you do: publish. If you don't publish this, you didn't save it. If you don't publish it, it will not appear on your channel. So it's just going to be a waste of time if you don't publish this. You want to click on publish, so that every changes we make here is going to appear on your channel, guys. Now you can go ahead and view the channel. Let's view the channel. Can you see we are on the home? We are on the home, guys. So this is the video we put as the first, and this is the for you. Can you see? And this is our shorts, these are videos, so you can still go ahead and see more videos. Okay, apart from what I do here on YouTube, I also host WhatsApp community where I teach people how to become a full-time content creator here on YouTube. Give it to me, right? I know. And mind you, I teach them all for free, and different testimonies have been coming up from what I have been able to impart people. Give me the crown. Give me the crown. Let me feel myself. So you want to join this beautiful community so we can move faster, get to meet up with the requirement to get monetized and start making the money. Love it. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting content like this, so you don't miss out on any of all this information and updates I bring to the table all the time. Trust me, there are several informations I wish I could just bring to your face always, but trust me, I will do justice to it anytime, any day. No sleepy and no snoozing. I am on it. Trust me, guys. More to deliver. I am for you, so you will have to subscribe. In short, this video is dedicated to people that have not subscribed to this channel. I am begging you, you have to subscribe because I love you. I know you do that. Let me know in the comment section that you've subscribed. Please do not forget to drop comments for me in the comment section. It's very important to me. It's going to make me believe that what I'm doing is probably good, because sometimes we're not sure. Okay, and it's also going to allow algorithm understand that this video is a good one, and it's going to push it to other content creators that are struggling to get more views. Okay, and please do not forget to like this video. It's also very important. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime we're back here. I love you. Until the next one. Bye.